Hello, Tiger Nation. This is Breckenridge County High School Principal Adam Cox here with you for a weekly update. It is Wednesday, May the 8th. And before I go into all things that are coming up here at the high school, we'd just like to take a moment to commend our students, especially our junior class, and the efforts they have exhibited the last 2 days. They've been taking their final two state-mandated tests of their high school career. They took the science K-Prep test yesterday and did an extraordinary job, and today they are working on the On-Demand, which is a 2.5-hour writing portion of the test, and they've done a great job this morning. So I'm really proud of them and their efforts that they've brought to school the last couple of days. Just have a lot going on, so I want to update our website here. They keep each of you up to speed of what all is going on. Today again is Wednesday, May the 8th. We do have our ATC Senior Awards tonight here at the high school in our auditorium. It's at 6 o'clock. We had just had our FFA banquet last night and celebrated an extraordinary year that our FFA has had, and then had our archery banquet on Monday night. Other things that are coming up this week, we do have our Beta Club Talent Show today at the end of the school day. That'll go from 1 o'clock to about 2:44. Then our spring review put on by our BCHS Chorale will be Thursday night and Friday night and Saturday night. Those performances will start at 6:30. Those performances are in our auditorium. Tickets are on sale online on our website. Directly above me, right here where this video is, there will be a link that says spring review. You can click on that and order your tickets. You can also get those at the door on Friday night or Saturday night. Things that are going on next week, on May the 15th, next Wednesday, we will be having our BCHS Senior Awards. Those will start at 6 o'clock in our auditorium. Those are just a nice day where we recognize all of our seniors and all their scholarships they're receiving. We are hoping to surpass another record year of money that's brought in by that class, so really look forward to seeing that. Last update I saw was where we're going to be pretty close to $2 million in scholarships. It's just amazing. Not only what our kids are earning from colleges and other areas, but also what our community is pouring into our kids to get them the opportunity to go to college. So really can't thank our community enough for the help that they're providing them. So let's see. Also, next Wednesday, our junior class meeting, we will have a junior class meeting for grand photography about taking our senior portraits over the summer. On Friday the 17th, we'll be rewarding our juniors and giving them a cookout for their great work on their ACT. On Thursday the 16th, we'll be letting our seniors do a senior walk, which will go to all the elementary schools and walk around the schools, let the elementary students see them. Graduation will be on Friday, May the 24th. That'll be at 7 o'clock. We will have Project Grad start at 10. That'll last till 4. That's on May the 24th. College signing days will be May the 20th through the 22nd. Those are during lunch. That's where we recognize all of our seniors that are going to college or career or military, whatever their path may be when they leave high school. We want to recognize that and tell them congratulations. On May the 22nd and 23rd, those are the last 2 school days of the year, we'll be having our finals. On the 22nd, that Wednesday, we'll be having finals, first period, third period, fifth period, seventh period. So all your odd finals are on that day. And then on Thursday, the 23rd, we'll have our even finals, which will be second period, fourth period, and sixth period. Athletics this week, our baseball team has had a great win last night against Muhlenberg County. Our Lady Tiger softball team has won 2 games this week. They beat 11th District rival Hancock County in an outstanding game Monday night. They beat North Bullitt last night. Our baseball team will be in action tonight, May the 8th. They'll be traveling to John Hart. That game was originally scheduled for tomorrow, but has been moved to today because of inclement weather chances. Our softball team will be playing host tomorrow to LaRue County. This weekend, our baseball team will be traveling to Owensboro Catholic to play Hopkinsville and Owensboro Catholic. And our softball team will be traveling to Owensboro High School to take on Owensboro and Warren Central. And that concludes this week's update. I hope everybody out there has a great day, works really hard, and is a champion. Thank you.